Are you an immigrant student in Canada seeking to boost your income? Or perhaps you're a dedicated stay-at-home mom looking for a way to contribute financially while managing your household? Look no further, because in this video, I'm going to explain how you can make $3,000 to $5,000 by just working 2 hours every day with the help of your phone. The best side hustle right now is high-ticket affiliate marketing. High-ticket affiliate marketing involves partnering with established companies that offers premium products or services. As an affiliate, you promote these products and services through various online channels. The high in high ticket is referred to the price tag of the item being sold. The higher the item price, the higher the commission that you're going to make. Here are some best reasons on why high ticket affiliate marketing is for you. Number 1, fixed schedule. As a student or a stay-at-home mom, flexibility is the key. High-ticket affiliate marketing allows you to work around your existing commitments. Whether it's managing your studies or taking care of your family, you can fit your marketing efforts to fit your schedule. Number 2, low barrier to entry. You don't need to be a marketing guru to get started. Most affiliate programs provide training and resources to help you succeed. Your determination and your enthusiasm are the biggest assets. Number 3, no product creation or inventory hassles. Unlike starting your own business, you don't need to worry about creating the product, managing inventory, or handling shippings. Your focus remains on promoting and generating leads. Number 4, unlimited earning potential. With high-ticket items, you earn substantial commissions per sale. This means that even a few successful referrals can make an impressive earnings. Make it a perfect option for reaching your financial goals. Number 5, online learning opportunity. You'll learn valuable digital marketing skills that can benefit you in various aspects of your life, whether for personal branding or future job prospects, or even entrepreneurial endeavors. Number 6, diverse product range. High-ticket products span various niches, from online courses to coaching programs to luxury items. You can choose products that aligns with your interests, making marketing genuinely enjoyable. High-ticket affiliate marketing presents an incredible opportunity for immigrant student and stay-at-home moms in Canada to achieve their financial aspirations without sacrificing flexibility and balance, especially during these tough times of economic recession. I've personally made over $40,000 since last year. If you are interested in learning high-ticket affiliate marketing, then I will put a link of the training in the description where I learned it from. You can start today and learn as much as you want. I wish you all the best. See you soon. Till then, take care.